What do 15-year-old students do around the world? Hi, I am In Ho from Korea. I am 15 years old and I am in the third year of middle school. I would like to know what school life is like for other 15-year-old students around the world. Could you write to me? Mary from the US. Hi, I am a freshman in high school. In America, we can choose some of the classes we take. This semester, I am taking theater, math, chemistry, word history, and honors English. Honors class are harder than regular classes. However, taking them will help me get into a good college. I am busy after school too. I play the trumpet in the school band. I am also in the debate club. I do not know how I am going to manage all this. Ahmad from Saudi Arabia. Hello, I am in the third year of middle school. My school is a boys only school. According to Islamic rules, boys and girls cannot go to the same school. At school, we study Arabic, English, math, science, history, and the Quran. After school, I play soccer with my friends or hang out at the computer club. During the winter break, we usually go camping near an oasis. Last year, we had a camel race. I am really looking forward to this year's camping trip. Diego from Chile. Hi, I am a freshman in high school. After 8 years of primary school, we go to high school, which lasts 4 years. We usually go to the same school from primary school to high school, and we wear uniforms. We have our school's anniversary celebration next month. For a week before the anniversary, we He'll have various activities such as soccer matches, spelling contests, and guava quaker contests. There will be a parade on the anniversary day. Alice from Finland. Hi, I am in the last year of comprehensive school. At the end of this year, we'll choose between upper secondary school and vocational school. About half of my class will go to vocational school. My friend Vithi will go to vocational school. He wants to be an engineer. I have not made up my mind yet. Luckily, we can take a year off before we go to high school. During that time, we can explore different jobs. About half of my class will go to vocational school. My friend VT will go to vocational school. He wants to be an engineer. I have not made up my mind yet. Luckily, we can take a year off before we go to high school. During that time, we can explore different jobs.